In this step of the portrait painting, I'm going to continue use overlay wash to bring out more contrast throughout the painting. Okay, now we're going to move forward to the neck. Have a little bit green color, so I'm gonna add a little green color, which is some yellow color. We don't have green color in the color that we have, and we're just going to mix the yellow and the blue colors. So I'm gonna have the little green colors around the neck in the center over here. Okay, that's good. Like that. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to have some red brown colors. I'm going to take this red, mix into this existing brown colors. Okay, now here we go. Into this side. Now we're going to look into this side. Okay. Now we're going to gradually blend it in. And lower over here I have a little bit more blue because a little bit colder compared to the other colors. So all the colors actually is, you can find it by using the comparison. This color, is this color correct? What is the next color? The next color a little bit more blue, a little bit more yellow to compare to their colors. And get a little bit blue colors in here for connecting that into this area. Have a little bit more blue. So always compare. Okay, this side is similar. Let's see, get this color in here. That's a little bit softer, a little bit lighter. I'm gonna let it out, coming out over here. Good, like that. Also here it has a little bit lighter. It's almost the same lightness as the outside on the face, because this is the neck area. The neck area is like a cylinder. So this side is facing to the side of the light coming from the side. So I'm gonna just use the clean brush. It just use the tip and remove some color. Less color will look lighter, and will be, the color will be look thinner, and it will be closer to the paper color, which is white. Okay, now this is good. Now the neck look better now. Now we'll come back to the chin. Have a little bit red and a little bit blue. I'm gonna take that little color right here. Okay. Like that. Maybe a little bit red, but we're gonna see. Let's see. Give yourself some time to think. Don't react quickly. You maybe get rid of some good stuff. Okay, let me see. At the bottom, have a little brown colors. Right here, have a little brown color, and now very light brown colors. Okay, now connect to that. Maybe a little red and get a little red color from here. Okay. Moving up and connect to the mouth over here, the corner of the mouth. And also have a little color connect down here too. Okay, good. Now I'm going to pay attention to this side. Connect to them. Over there, it's good. Maybe also work a little bit into the dimple. A little bit darker here. A little bit over here. Doesn't have to be a lot. A little suggestions. Connect the imagination. The structure on the face is much better now. Now it's good time to add a little dark color to the side. I'm gonna mix a little bit the red and the blue colors. A little bit more red. Okay. A little bit blue. Okay, that's good. Now start over here. Like this. Now come to this side. The little small triangle over here. Let's look and then paint. Look first. Like that. Now what I want to do, I'm going to get a little red color to extend it. And a little red color in here. Okay. I'm going to extend that color, connecting in here, and then on this side, do the same. And a little bit lighter, connecting that to this area too. Just the water. Now from the edge, I'm even suggesting a little bit turn of the head. Okay, that's good. This in the middle here, a little bit lighter. Here we go. That's good. Now on this side, also soften that up. That's good. Right. And now I'm gonna add a little brown color inside the ear to create that shape. A little bit color. And a little bit shape on this side. I'm gonna clear a little bit, and that's come down a little bit. Okay, remove that. This is good for now. Let's move on to other place. Let's take a look at it again on both sides of the arm. I think it needs a little bit red colors. So what I want to do, I want to show you just the glazing process. Just get a little bit red. That's it. I don't think it's need that much. So I'm just going to glaze over the area. If you think the whole area is supposed to have a little bit more red, just put it on. It just make me feel a little bit better. Make me feel like more of the child's skin. And on this side, okay. I'm gonna do a little lifting off, and this area actually a little bit lighter. So I'm just by lift off a very little colors. It actually make the toning that you can see. And here a little bit lighter too. Okay, that's good. Now what about on this side? I'm gonna continue, and the bottom over here, it does have a little bit more blue, so I'm gonna also soften the edge over here. Good. So translucent watercolor, you can glaze over and over layer by layers. If you need the color need to be changed or the color need to be darker, so you can go through that the layer over layer process. And I want to change this to this flat brush. And what I want to do, I'm going to make this area of the sleeve a little bit lighter. So I'm going to just do a few rounds, make it a little lighter. When we paint the darker color next to it, it will make it look much lighter. But right now I want to prepare it, make it a little bit lighter now. And over here, also make it a little bit lighter. And on here, you need the light color connect through here. Good, that's good. For the main object of the painting, we already have very good foundation. Next, I'm gonna work on the catch the shadow at the front, the ocean in the background, and the beach area.